In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter on a Salesforce dashboard seamlessly and effectively. Let's get started by opening up Salesforce. Once you're at the login page, enter your credentials and proceed by logging into the system. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Salesforce homepage. From here, locate and click on Sales in the navigation menu. The Sales tab is an essential area central to accessing your sales data and functionalities within Salesforce. Next, find the option labeled Dashboards and click on it. Dashboards provide a visual representation of your data, allowing for quick insights and meaningful analysis. They are especially critical if you're looking to make data-driven decisions swiftly. Now that you're in the dashboard section, identify the dashboard you want to add a filter to and click to open it. This step is all about ensuring that you are working on the correct dashboard where the filter is needed. With the dashboard opened up, look for the Edit button and give it a click. This action will allow you to make necessary changes to your dashboard setup, including adding new filters. At this point, you should see an option that says Add Filter. Click on this option. Adding a filter to your dashboard is crucial as it lets you customize and narrow down the data to view specific insights that matter to you. From the field drop-down menu that appears, choose a field. This field will be the cornerstone of your filter. Selecting the right field is important as this dictates what data your filter will manipulate. Think about which field best suits the data segment you need. Once you've chosen your field, click on Add Filter Value. This step allows you to define specific criteria for your data filter. You'll see a list of operators like equals, not equals, greater than, and others. Choose an operator that best fits the criteria you want to apply. Moving on, you will set the value or values for your filter. Here, you can input specific data values, use relative dates like last 30 days, or apply other criteria that suit your needs. Customizing these values ensures your dashboard displays precisely what you're interested in analyzing. Next, apply the changes by clicking on Apply. This ensures your new filter takes effect. If you desire, you can add more values by repeating the steps, allowing for a more comprehensive filtering system. Finally, once you're happy with your choices and everything seems right, click Done to complete the filter adding process, and finish by hitting Save to ensure that all your modifications are successfully stored in the system. And there you have it. A filter is now successfully added to your Salesforce dashboard, allowing for more targeted and efficient data analysis. Remember, understanding and customizing your dashboard view helps improve your productivity and decision-making processes.